start saving $3,000 every month right from this month by using this amazing AI agent. In my previous latest video, you definitely saw that how we managed a business inventory with just messaging on WhatsApp and save data entry operator salary that we can reinvest in our business. Let's get into that AI agent. So the first node will be always a trigger, and here we are setting up an AI agent that will manage our inventory with just a WhatsApp message. So here our trigger will be a WhatsApp trigger. So here we will search. Here you have an option where you have to add the trigger. So here we will select the WhatsApp trigger, and in the trigger we will select on message. So when we message on the WhatsApp, then we will get a reply on WhatsApp. So first node will be a trigger, WhatsApp trigger, and here you have to connect your WhatsApp account and client ID and client secret. And if you want to set it up, so you will open docs, and here you can see how to connect the WhatsApp API with your N8N. I will make a separate video on it. So here we will connect WhatsApp trigger node, and then the second node we have to connect is the AI agent. So here in the AI agent node, we will not change define below, because the message we will do on WhatsApp directly it will be input in the AI agent. So here you will leave JSON.chat input and no more modifications here. Then the third node we have to connect is chat model. So I have used Gemini chat model because it is also good. So we will connect Gemini API, and here you can also see the docs how to connect Gemini. And here you will connect your API key. I will also make a video how to get the API key of Gemini. So in the upcoming video, I will show you how to connect the WhatsApp API, and in the second video, I will show how to connect the Google API. And if you want to do it by your own, it is very easy. You can do it by reading the docs. And then the third node we have to connect is simple memory, because what simple memory do, when we do a single message, then the memory have to remember what I asked above. So it will give a response related to the above message. So that's why simple memory is used. So we will connect a simple memory node. You will connect by here, and here we will leave it as it is. And in the context window length, you can write 20, 30 or whatever, because Gemini chat model is free, so no problem. So I have set it to 200. And the fourth node we have to connect is tool. So here will be the Google Sheets where the inventory is located. So here we will add a Google Sheet node. Here we will connect Google API. It is also very easy. You can open docs and do it by your own. In the description we have to set it automatically, nothing to change, and the sheet in the Word document. And here in the operation we have to use get rows, because what this get rows means it will read the rows of the sheets. So it has a search inventory. It is a read inventory, means it reads from the Google Sheets and gives us the answer. So I have connected my sheet 1 here, and no more modifications here. And in the fifth node we have to connect Google Sheet again in the tools, because this node will update or append rows, means it will change in the Google Sheet. And the get rows or read node cannot change, it can only read. So the previous one will read and this will update. So here we will also connect our API. You don't have to write the description because it is set to automatically, but I have set manually, no problem, I will set it automatically. And here in the operation we will select append or update row, because it will update or modify the row in the Google Sheets. And map columns manually, because it will give me custom options to modify the columns. So here I have used part code to match maybe your serial number or any other thing. I have part code part 1, part 2, this type of numbering. Here we will select all values as let the model define this parameter, because AI will then define what to do. So we will only message and it will do the work. We have leave it to AI and no more modifications here. Then the last agent we have to connect is WhatsApp business. So here in the WhatsApp business node we will connect our API, and as it is connected and it will remember that. And in the resource we will set this as message, and in operation we will set send, because AI agent will send us a message on WhatsApp. And in the center phone number you have to select the WhatsApp desk number, as I selected here sender phone number. And in the recipient phone number you have to put your number where you have to get the answer. And in the message tab we will set text, and here in the text body we will drag and drop it in the JSON output. I have dragged, and here your AI agent is ready. If you want that AI agent modified according to your business, DM me, and subscribe and stay tuned for more AI agents. Thank you for watching.